Well, this is new. Your cat caught a bird, babe. Your cat caught a bird. Better be careful with that there, Tro. Oh no, it's on the inside of the plastic? How did it get even in there?
I have no idea.
It's like a sealed...
That's weird.
There's no way for you to even get in.
What the heck? Well, it's a fun toy for the cat. They got you a toy.
How do we get you out of there, birdie bird? I want to try and help the poor bird.
Yeah, I want to see what she does with it. Look at the bird. Oh, goodness. Oh, so it did come inside.
That's how it got in.
So it was inside.
It was inside, but then it crashed through.
Oh, so that's weird.
So I guess, did you mind Chewy?
Yeah, Chewy's scared of it.
Are you gonna pull the thing down and let it out, or
Yeah.
do you have a way to catch it once it gets out?
Nope.
You should probably...
It'll fly out.
You think so?
The door open?
The one door is open, yeah. There you go.
I'm scared.
I see that. Other way, birdie bird. Get dribbled down so that he doesn't get hurt.
Can it not fly? Or it just wants to be out?
No, it wants to go out that direction. Get dribbled down.
Well,
He's
Triple,
gonna get scratched in the face.
Triple's not gonna get scratched in the face. The bird's gonna get scratched in the face. But I want to play with the bird.
What's in your mouth? A bird looks like it has something in its mouth. Just sticks its nose up its butt. And I gotta smell you there.
This is so cute. What an indoor cat meets a bird. True. Ooh, that way.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get it to do. Can you push it more? There you go. Good job, little birdie.
I
Bye.
hated that experience.
That was fun, huh, Tribble?
Yeah, it would have been more fun if you let me play with it.
Well, now we can open these windows and the plastic stuff's been on there for like 2 years.
Yeah.
Got a phone vlog going on because I left the other camera in the house and I don't want to go get it just yet. We're gonna run over to the post office and ship off our processor that we sold. It's a good thing I sold it because the next generation of processors is coming out and that's gonna be obsolete here in like 2 months and its price is gonna crash for sure. So I wanted to get that sold off. I need to spin a few Pokestops, and then we're gonna run our 14 miles or so. We'll give it a shot. I'm not entirely sure if we'll be able to do it, but we're gonna say that we're gonna do it. So let's go do that. I forgot. The post office closes at noon on Saturday, and it's 1:55, which is afternoon. So we'll ship that thing Monday. On second thought, I was just looking up the hours to the bank, and they close at 3, and so I'm gonna be running for longer than an hour by the time I get home and everything. Anyways, we gotta go to the bank first and get a cashier's check so we can buy a house on Monday. So let's go do that before the bank closes, and then, since it's nice and warm out, like, it'll be the hottest it can possibly be during the day, then we'll go for our run. This girl's not feeling so well.
I mean, I feel a heck of a lot better than I did, but I'm so tired.
No. What's the flavor?
Watermelon, cherry, lime.
Ah, it's the cherry that's gonna get me. Hopefully it's
What the
not.
heck? I'm so weak I can't even open this bottle. Can't smell anything, don't know why I bothered. Dang it, I can't really taste anything either.
Want me to tell you? Taste tester Steven to the rescue.
Does it taste like what it's supposed to?
That's one of the best uses of cherry I've ever tasted.
Wish I could taste it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you might want to save that so you can taste it, because that's pretty good.
Well, it might be a couple weeks.
That's warmer than I'm used to. That's later than I was hoping. Ugh, I'm drained. It was so hard those last few miles. My legs were so sore. They're like crampy. Alright, let's go home. I need you to laugh for me because I was gonna go around the house and do a bit with Kayla, pointing out all the little stupid things that we should request the house owner remove before Monday. I'm way too tired to get up and be funny. So you just
I need to laugh.
Well, because I was gonna do it. So just to reward my creativity. I just don't have the energy behind the creativity, babe.